Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And of course, we did have this week the release of the updates for the preview updates for the bug fixes and new features in Windows 11, 24H2, 25H2. I got it because I looked quite early on. And if I look at my update history, I have it here, the preview update for March. But a lot of you have been commenting that you don't see it and it's not arrived yet. That's because Microsoft has pulled this update. It is now not available. They are investigating install issues. Apparently, a high number of users, the update would end up with an error message and the computer would roll back. So Microsoft is investigating the problem, and that's why a lot of you guys don't see this update right now. This is, once again, why they are called preview updates. If you don't need them, you can just wait until they are available. They're always pushed with the updates of the Patch Tuesday updates. So investigation going on. They will, of course, release it again when things seem okay, when they fix the problem. But right now, it seems that there's an installation error for a lot of people. In my case, it worked fine. It did what a lot of you sometimes notice, the restart did restart twice, but for the rest, it installed correctly here. I didn't have any problems with it. But so it's not available right now. If you're going to look for it, that's why it's not showing up. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.